Hey there. Today, we're going to look at how to print from a laptop and PC to a printer. So let's get started. First, make sure your printer is connected to your laptop or PC using a USB cable or Wi-Fi network. Go to the Windows Start menu, open Settings, then click on Bluetooth and Devices. Scroll down and select Printers and Scanners. Now click on Add Device. If your printer is listed, click Add Device. If not, confirm it's properly connected and turned on. If needed, select Add Manually and follow the instructions. Once the printer is added, open the document you want to print. Click on File, then Print, or press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. Under Destination, choose your printer. If it is not visible, click on Add Printer and add it manually. You can adjust settings such as page selection, number of copies, color options, and two-sided printing. When ready, click on Print to start printing your document. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.